This is another episode of Keto Quick Cooking. I am by myself tonight, and so I just made a really quick dish. I had some extra cut up chicken from dinner last night, and so what I did was I just sauteed it up and added a little bit of taco seasoning, and then I put 2 eggs in there and just kind of scrambled them around. And so I have basically like a chicken taco scramble. And then I added some Colby Jack cheese or Kojak cheese at the end to make it nice and cheesy. And I also sprinkled a little bit of chopped fresh cilantro on it. So I'm going to add some sour cream and some hot sauce, and I'm going to have a nice high-fat, moderate protein dinner. And it's going to have a little bit of a Mexican flair to it. So very simple, something you can just use, especially if you're by yourself. Of course, you could do this for your family too, but it's a really nice and quick way to use up leftovers and also get some eggs into your diet. Okay, have a good night, and we'll see you next time on CJ's Keto Kitchen.